guys, so I'm here today with Jackie.
Hello.
So where are we, Jackie?
Here in Festival Alabang.
Oh, let's see what's inside here.
Festival go, as you can see at my back. So I traveled here 2 hours from Pasay or from Mall of Shop because of traffic in Manila. And you will try all the rides here, and if you have birthday today, you will have a ride all you can. Select it. Try this one. Hindi pala ako kasha. So this is located in Philippines Malls. Dito sa here at Alabang sa Pota, I think. So as you can see, you can have a ride all you can for only 399 pesos. And they have promo for birthday celebrations. For example, you are celebrating your birthday today, so you will have a free ride all you can. Your birthday. And as you can also observe for this arcade, they always have a poster of ride safety reminders, of course.
Feeling ko mapapagod lang tayo dun. Feeling ko. O gusto mo mag-ikot muna tayo? Tara. So let's try another rides, guys. So as you can also see here, it's a variety of age. May mga teenagers, may mga elderly here na nagpe-play. This is just for a kid. So knowing Filipinos love entertainment talaga.
Imagine a place that music never really stops. The food is always a celebration, and the doors are always wide open to absolute strangers. In the Philippines, we call this the fiesta, our traditional town festival. It's the time when families reunite, tables groan under the weight of home-cooked feast, and the entire community transforms into a colorful, living canvas of joy.
You want to try? Ba kung saan yung roller coaster?
Sa kapila.
Doon. Thank you. We're walking, going to where are we going?
Where are we going?
Saan yun naman? Here is the carousel. 90 per head naman, guys. So if my birthday, free yung my birthday, tapos dapat may kasama kang tatlo. Oh! Ayan, guys.
So nice.
The rate is the regular one is the 250 pesos for 250 pesos for 10 minutes.
For 30 minutes is 249, ma'am,
30
with free
minutes.
access with gears and aid, ma'am, and with free tutorial, ma'am.
30 minutes overall with
Yes,
tutorial.
ma'am. Ma'am, so you can avail like
Yes.
30 minutes, ma'am, or 1 hour with 249, and for 1 hour, ma'am, is 349.
How about the all-day pass?
The all-day pass, ma'am.
What
so,
it means?
If you avail the all-day pass, ma'am, you can get it like, all day, ma'am, like 12, ma'am, 12 to 8:30, like that.
Oh.
Maybe
So
you
it's-
can go out, ma'am, with the in-ring,
Okay.
and then you can go to mall, ma'am, walking around, and then
And you can go back here.
Yes, ma'am. That's what we call all-day
All the
pass, ma'am.
pass. For the roller fever only.
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name po?
I'm Maru, ma'am. Maru.
Maru.
Yes, ma'am. Maru from Roller Fever, ma'am.
Sige, sir.
Hi.
Thank you. Thank you po. We'll be back. So guys, we got ticket. So 100 pesos each. So let's try. I'm so scared, guys, talaga. I don't know. I don't have any idea what happened, but let's try. Pwede dito yung mga yung mga OA. Guys, we're ready. This is us after rides. So guys, this is my first time. Uy, nanginginig po ako. Ito, malakas tong
Ayaw
bahay.
gumana ng mic.
Yan, dyan kami. And then doon sa isa, pakita ko sa look, ganun kataas. Si Jackie malakas.
Hello.
Ako, how do you feel? Cybertruck. Ano mo pinagkaiba yung nung Explo at Cybertruck?
Car racing po. Cybertruck.
Car racing, yung dito lang. Magkano?
So funny. Ang saya nung ride.
Miss first time yun.
Ang saya nung roller coaster. Gusto ko ulit umulit.
If you ever wanted to truly experience how Filipinos celebrate life without waiting for a seasonal holiday, you just found your gateway.
Ayun pa saan naman, no?
This is the water garden.
Love surrounds me like a lullaby. Softly, you remind me.
Hi guys, so we are here today at water park at Festival Mall Alabang. So let's go. I'll tour you around. And as you can see, there is an acoustic live guitarist, romantic place, and also the Filipino culture is also here because you can also see Filipino cuisine or Filipino street foods. Yes, let's go guys. Oh, it is the Hungry District. Oh yeah. 4 pieces, 55 pesos.
Fruity or
Hello, this is Isaac. I would like to introduce you GMB&B daily rental. Okay, if you go to Manila, Philippine Manila, you will definitely go to Okada Casino. Next to this building, walking 1 minute to 3 minutes from the airport. 10 minutes grab, you can reach GMB&B. Okay, walk inside. We have a very comfortable room. This is called one studio, and we have 5 to 7 studio and more are coming. That is a sofa bed. You can press the key and then 2 meter long and sleep 1 people. Television, we have Netflix, YouTube, etc. and then you will have a wonderful night. The 7-Eleven in Okada, opening 24 hours. Let's go to the bedroom. We have double bed, very comfortable, choosing matches, strong aircon in the living room and in the bedroom.